Hi, my name is Sergey. I'm the owner and Vice President of Architectural Mall, and I'm here today to talk to you about the three different types of fiberglass columns. Cast fiberglass, FRP column covers, and pultruded fiberglass. All three have their own benefits, and we are the only company in America that manufactures all three using the same molds. Why is this important? Because if you have a project that requires two different types of columns, two different types of material, they're still going to look like they came from the same family, from the same manufacturer. First, let's talk about cast fiberglass. Cast fiberglass column shafts, sometimes called porch columns, are manufactured as a single piece. As the mold rotates, the composite fiberglass matrix is forced outward against the mold walls and results in a whole column shaft as the material hardens inside the spinning mold. These are generally the thickest of the three types, the heaviest, and can support the most weight in load-bearing applications. They are still considered lightweight when compared to natural stone and concrete, which requires significant structural reinforcement to support the added weight. The cap and base are made from a similar matrix as the shaft to ensure that the entire column, when painted, will appear uniform throughout. These columns arrive unfinished and must be sanded, primed, and painted. They can be factory split or on-site to surround structural columns to create pilasters, corner wraps, and other plan types, ranging from 6 inches in diameter to 36 inches, and with styles including round tapered plane and fluted, round non-tapered plane, square non-tapered plane and fluted and recessed panel, square tapered, and round rope twist. These columns typically contain the least amount of fiberglass strand as compared to the other two types of fiberglass columns. They are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. For those who are looking for a stone look, this line of columns is also offered in our polymer stone blend, which is a man-made stone, looks and feels like the real stone, but at a fraction of the cost and weight. I will cover these in another video. Now let's move on to our fiberglass reinforced polymer columns, or FRP column covers. FRP column covers are manufactured as half columns for reassembly on site around structural support, which is why they are called column covers, and they are typically the lightest and thinnest of the three types of fiberglass columns. The wall thickness is typically 3/16 of an inch. However, with the large diameters and heights, we reinforce the shaft using a core mat that gives added strength to the shaft and adds to the thickness. These columns are pound for pound stronger than steel and are made using the same technology as what fiberglass boat hulls are made from. The columns are made with a marine-grade gel coat finish. However, since they are a column cover, they still need to be primed and painted when assembled on site in order to hide the seam. With FRP, you have the option of having us factory join the two halves to form a whole column shaft to be not only load-bearing, but also structural. The load-bearing capacity, however, is only about 25% that of our cast columns. Even with one of our larger columns, a 36-inch by 30 foot, it can easily be lifted and handled by 2 men. Although these columns can bear weight when factory joined, they were intended to be column covers, and we always recommend for a structural column to be in place. These columns contain the highest percentage of fiberglass out of all three types of fiberglass columns. The cap and base are made from the same material. They also come with a limited lifetime warranty on the material. As with the cast columns, these are made from the same molds and are available in the same styles as I previously listed. Our final fiberglass column is called a Pultruded Fiberglass Column. These are very limited in style, size, and shape. They are made via a thin die-cast mold, where a resin and fiberglass matrix is pulled through the mold to create a very uniform and precise wall thickness and consistent shape. These columns support a good amount of weight, but again, not as much as the cast columns. Currently, we offer these in the square non-tapered plain styles, 6-inch up to 10 foot in height, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch up to 18 foot in height. We offer some sizes in fluted and recessed panel design as well. The cap and base and the optional neck ring or astragal are made using our cast matrix. These columns are a great alternative to our FRP and cast when you need a lightweight, inexpensive square column with the shaft made from one piece. These columns have to be primed and painted, and they also carry a limited lifetime warranty. Hopefully this video provided some insight into the 3 different fiberglass columns currently available. We also offer GFRC and many other types that you can see on our website at www.columnsandbalustrades.com, or you can call us at 877-279-9993. We've been manufacturing, selling, and installing columns and balustrades for well over 20 years. When you visit our website, you will see that besides columns, we also do balustrades, we do fireplace mantles, we do cornice, and a bunch of other products that are all American made, proudly here. Thank you for your time.